on a tip-off, a team of Imphal East Police arrested 2 active cadres of the proscribed group UNLA from Singjamai Chinga Mathak, Imphal yesterday. The arrestees were identified as 46-year-old Muhammad Nizamuddin of Urup Chinga Lekai and Chinga Kham David Meitei, aged 32, of Kairao Wangkhem. The corps also seized 2 two-wheeler vehicles and 2 mobile phones from their possession. A one-day Mao market is open today in front of Ideal Club of Sagol Mantera in Imphal West. Many people came to the temporary Mao market to buy their favorite Mao produce. The event is jointly organized by IPSA, Mao Market Coordinating Council, and other local clubs and organizations. Ahead of the final agreement between the central government and Naga rebel groups to end insurgency in the state, the Indian Army's Chief of Staff General Bipin Rawat had a meeting with Governor of Nagaland cum interlocutor of Indo-Naga peace talks, R.N. Rabi, to discuss on the security situation along the borders of the northeast states amidst the Indo-Naga peace talks which ended behind closed doors on October 31st last. The All East Coming Bolero Pickup Welfare Association organized a day-long traffic cum road safety awareness program at Sepa in Arunachal Pradesh. The objective was to make people, especially its members, aware about traffic rules and safety and their responsibilities while on the road. A 3-day program on marketing of spices began in Assam's Kokrajhar. The training program is organized by Farmers Agribusiness Consortium and founded and supported by CCS National Institute of Agriculture Marketing, Jaipur, Rajasthan.